Rainforests are dense, warm, and humid forests that receive over 2,000 millimeters of rainfall each year. They are among the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species. They play a vital role in producing oxygen, storing carbon, and regulating the global climate. There are two main types of rainforests, tropical and temperate. Tropical rainforests such as the Amazon are found in Brazil, Indonesia, Congo, Peru, and Colombia. Temperate rainforests grow in the United States, Canada, Chile, Norway, and New Zealand. Beyond biodiversity and resources, rainforests are Earth's lungs. They absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide and release life-giving oxygen. They regulate rainfall patterns, influencing weather systems across continents. Through transpiration and evaporation, they keep the global water cycle alive. Without rainforests, agriculture worldwide would collapse, weather would grow harsher, life would grow uncertain. Rainforests are also ancestral homelands. They carry the memories, the traditions, the very identities of indigenous peoples who live in harmony with them. Protecting rainforests is not only about trees and animals, it is about preserving humanity's survival. It is about guarding our climate, our resources, and our cultural heritage. Their protection is not an option, it is a necessity. For without rainforests, the balance of life itself would falter. Biodiversity in rainforests. Rainforests are among the most biologically diverse ecosystems on Earth. They may cover only a small portion of the planet's surface, yet they are home to more than half of all known species of plants and animals. Towering trees rise skyward, forming thick canopies that shelter countless birds, insects, reptiles, and mammals. Beneath them, the forest floor comes alive with fungi, amphibians, and smaller creatures specially adapted to the dim light. Every layer of the rainforest plays a role. Flowers burst with color to attract hummingbirds and butterflies. Fruit-bearing trees provide food for monkeys, bats, and birds, who in turn spread seeds to new ground. This endless cycle of interaction creates balance, strength, and renewal. The biodiversity of rainforests is more than beauty. It is the very foundation of ecological stability. These forests regulate carbon storage, recycle nutrients, and sustain countless life forms. Scientists believe millions of species are still undiscovered, and some may carry answers for medicine, agriculture, and technology. Yet this treasure is under threat, as deforestation, climate change, and habitat destruction continue to weaken the web of life. Resources of rainforests. Rainforests are not only sanctuaries of life, they are treasure houses of resources. They provide fruits, nuts, spices, and staple foods that feed people across the globe. Their timber and fibers are used for homes, tools, and crafts. They are called nature's pharmacy because so many life-saving medicines originate from rainforest plants. Treatments for cancer, malaria, heart disease, and many more have been discovered in these green havens. Indigenous peoples depend on these resources deeply, for food and water, for shelter and healing, and for cultural traditions woven into every tree and river. Rainforests also supply freshwater systems, sustaining agriculture and human settlements far beyond their borders. They provide rubber, essential oils, and ingredients for cosmetics and industry, yet overexploitation threatens their survival. Logging, mining, and large-scale farming strip away the very resources people rely on. Without balance, the gifts of the rainforest could vanish forever. Only through sustainable use can we ensure these resources remain for generations to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep going forward.